Hello viewer, welcome to Samuel Academy. My name is Samuel. In this video, I want to explain the differences between mass and weight. Alright, let us begin. Mass is the amount of matter in a substance. It is the same everywhere. But weight is the force that is exerted on a body by gravity. Now in this diagram, this substance has a mass of 12 kilograms. The amount of matter in this substance is 12 kilograms. So while on Earth, this substance will be 12 kilograms. If taken to the moon, this substance will still be 12 kilograms because mass is constant. It does not change when you move from place to place. But weight, we have seen that it is the force that is exerted on a body by gravity. And because gravity changes from place to place, then the weight of a body will change. Okay? Like this substance here, which is 12 kilograms, its weight is 120 newtons, right? While on Earth. How do we get 120 newtons? From this formula, force is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity. So the mass is 12 kilograms and the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth is about 10 newtons per kilogram. So the force or the weight acting on this substance is mass times acceleration, which is 12 times 10, 120 newtons. Right? So if we go to the moon with this substance, you find that its weight will change because the force of gravity on the moon is about 1.6 newtons per kilogram. So the weight of this substance would be 12 kilograms times 1.6 newtons per kilogram, which will give you about 19.2 newtons. Okay, so on Earth, the weight of this substance will be 120 newtons, but on the moon it will be 19.2 newtons. So you see, weight changes as you move from place to place because of the changes in the force of gravity, but mass is constant. Number 2, mass is a scalar quantity, but weight is a vector quantity. A scalar quantity is a quantity that has only size or magnitude, right? But a vector quantity has both size and direction. Examples of scalar quantities are temperature, distance, energy, speed, and density. And examples of vector quantities are force, velocity, displacement, acceleration, and momentum. All right? So we have seen that mass is a scalar quantity. It has size or magnitude only. But weight is a vector quantity because it has got size or magnitude and direction. Okay? You must specify the direction when you're talking about vector quantities. All right, let us proceed. Now, when you're measuring mass and weight, we find that mass may be measured by an ordinary balance. Okay, like in this case, we have this substance, this object is being measured. Its mass is being measured by this precision scale is about 500 grams. Okay, so you find that mass may be measured by an ordinary balance, but weight is measured by a spring balance. So we measure weight using a spring balance, and you can see the weight is graduated newtons. All right. Okay, next we have this difference that mass is measured in grams or kilograms. Like in this case, it is about 500 grams or 0.5 kilograms. But weight is measured in newtons because weight is a force, all right? So those are the differences between mass and weight. So I'm sure you have enjoyed the video. So I want to request you to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel to be able to see other videos about weather instruments, geography, chemistry, physics, and mathematics.